Question now. Someone is holding their suhoor in their hand, or they've got it in their mouth. Let's start with the hand. Someone has got suhoor in their hand, and then what did they hear? The adhan. What should they do? Yeah. Put your hand up if you think you should leave it. Yeah. Put your hand up if you believe you've got it in your hand. Eat it. And that's correct. If you've got it in your hand, you eat it. The Prophet ﷺ, he said, إِذَا سَمِعَ أَحَدُكُمُ النِّدَاءَ, if one of you hears the adhan, adhan, وَالْإِنَاءُ فِي يَدِهِ, and the cup is in your hand, or the meal is in your hand, فَلَا يَضَعْهُ, don't put it down, حَتَّى يَقْضِي حَاجَتَهُ مِنْهُ, until you fulfill your need from it, and until you eat it. Abu Dawood narrated it. Does that make sense? But that doesn't mean the plate in front of you is all yours. Yeah, that's not what it means. It's whatever you're holding in your hand at that moment when the adhan goes off. Inshallah ta'ala, you can have it, finish it. Are we all together, brothers? Why? Because what is in your hand, are you going to throw it away? Yeah? Are you going to waste it and throw it away? Yeah? And who's going to eat it from you? Huh? Unless you've got kids and you tell them eat it. Yeah? But the asal is that nobody would have it. So just take it in. That's why the sunnah is to eat it.